Fallout tonight following allegations of sexual abuse against iconic labor leader Cesar Chavez. A New York Times investigation claims Chavez abused and molested multiple women over the course of decades. According to the Times, one of the victims, legendary activist Dolores Huerta, who co-founded the United Farm Workers Union with Chavez. Huerta, now 95, said she was manipulated and pressured into having sex with him and raped against her will. She said she had two separate sexual encounters with Chavez in the 1960s that led to pregnancies. The babies were adopted. In a statement, Chavez's family says they are devastated by the article and wish peace and healing to the survivors. Chavez died in 1993. So what recourse do victims have after decades of keeping these allegations to themselves? ABC 10 News reporter Laura Acevedo spoke with one lawyer about how any legal action may play out.
Cesar Chavez led the United Farm Workers Union for more than 3 decades. Though the women accusing him of abuse can't legally go after his estate, an attorney explains they could potentially go after the union, depending on who knew what and when.
If this is true, he's not an icon. He's an evil man.
Bombshell accusations against labor rights leader Cesar Chavez. A New York Times investigation revealing Chavez is accused of sexually abusing girls who worked alongside him in the labor movement, including his right-hand woman, Dolores Huerta, who Wednesday accused him of rape.
It's like accusing Martin Luther King of abuse. And, you know, in my experience, these cases are never just one or two.
John Manley is a lawyer who represents victims of sexual assault and abuse. He says the women can't go after the Chavez estate, but California law does allow for other civil litigation.
Anytime before age 40, you can file, or 3 years after the time the light goes on in your head and said, I've got emotional issues and the problems of my life are related to what happened to me as a little girl.
Chavez died in 1993, but he founded and led the United Farm Workers Union for decades. I covered the UFW for years when I worked in Bakersfield, interviewing Dolores Huerta multiple times, and was there when Chavez's wife was laid to rest at his national monument. Manley says the union could be liable if they were aware of or involved in any kind of cover-up in the alleged abuse.
If there is evidence that they were aware that he was doing this and did nothing, it's conceivable there may be litigation against him.
The union has canceled all Cesar Chavez activities this month and has called the allegations disturbing, indefensible, and something they are taking very seriously. Laura Acevedo, ABC 10 News.